first wild camp of the year 2022, and what a beautiful day it is for it. In regards to the weather, well, currently rain, later rain, but it's okay because we're waterproof and warm for now. I entered this woods a good 15 minutes ago, and for the first time in quite a while, my feet aren't already drenched after 5 minutes, courtesy of Jack Pike's Tundra boots. Anyhow, let's stop yapping, let's get to camp, get set up, and get a coffee on. Name that bird. So originally I wanted to set up our sleep system before our basher, and I wanted to configure our basher around our sleep system, but thanks to the rain, that's not going to happen. So for now, let's just get the basher up, play about with it once it's all set up. Let's just get out the rain. As always, the first thing out. So with all the rain we're having, the ground is really soft. Brought the wrong pegs for it. Well, let's get dry. The British Army bivvy bag, Gore-Tex waterproof lightweight, not your ultra lightweight bivvy bag, but lightweight nonetheless, and I've got some tarp clips to assist us in today's setup. So it seems like we got a little break in the rain. It's a good time to get started on this. So I want to be able to use our dry spaces and in and out to our sleep system. So I'm going to set up the bivvy bag this way. I can climb into it from that way and we can stay dry. So what we did here, just lay out the bivvy, hood side on top, peg out the four corners. Then I borrowed the 2 wooden poles from our World War II bivouac tent, stuck them down into the corners, tied it off, pegged it out, and it's almost like a hooped bivvy. So that's our sleep system for the night. And there's no worries about the bugs. It's funny, there's pros and cons with everything. Summertime, lovely, warm, long days, loads of bugs. Winter, cold, dark, wet, but no bugs. So these tarp clips, they're pretty awesome. There's a lot of tarps out there, particularly the cheap ones that simply don't have enough tie out points on them, which brings limitations to configurations. But with these tarp clips, You can have as many tie out points as you want. So we're off to go and collect ourselves some water for more coffee and for our lovely freeze-dried meal later. As we saw earlier, the stream is running high, so it shouldn't be an issue collecting it. I've been umming and ahhing about having a fire tonight, and I didn't bring my twig stove, which is foolish considering how compact it is. But it's hard to stay dry when everything's wet, and the only thing damp on me is my trousers, and I really want to get those dried off. So we're going to attempt to have ourselves a little wet weather fire. We'll see how it goes. Going to be smoky regardless. Time to collect some firewood. It's not going to get majorly cold tonight, so I'm not too worried about the temperature. And I'm not looking to have any massive fire. I'll be warm enough with all the clothes I'm wearing, but it would be nice to get my trousers dried off before we do get in the bivvy bag. Opting for the wax pads today to get this fire started. See, this will burn for a good 10 minutes, allowing us to dry out some of that wood while this gets started. Got our sticks here to keep the pad off the ground. And we got our smaller sticks here. Hopefully we can dry them out a little bit. I'm just going to place it just there, not directly under the sticks, but just next to them. Some of that heat can flow over, hopefully dry them out a bit. We've got our fire burning now. I'm going to start on some dinner. I've got two of these, pot pasta. You see all these campers with their gourmet meals, and here we are with a pot pasta. One for dinner, one for dessert. Fire is struggling. It's not bad, not bad. But I told myself, I said in the new year, we need to up our cooking game. And here we are, with a pot pasta. But I have a secret weapon on the way. And with this secret weapon, it's going to change our cooking game on the channel forever. Hopefully. Probably not. Knowing me. So that fire never really even got started. I'm going to be fixing to bed down soon, so what I want to do is we want to take our water here, get that filter on there because, yeah, no good. And we're going to fill up our Stanley pot here. And now we're going to get this on the boil. So while we wait for that to boil, I want to have a chat with you guys, and I want to give you guys a thank you for supporting the channel, being here with me. On January the 1st, 2021, we were sitting at 375 loyal subscribers. January the 1st, 2022, we were sitting at 1,400 125 subscribers. So yeah, you guys are awesome. Thank you for your badassery. Let's see how far we can push this and see where we are January the 1st, 2023. So thank you guys, it's much appreciated. Okay, now we're going to transfer that water into this bottle, take it into the sleeping bag with us, and we have ourselves a hot water bottle. So we have our hot water bottle here, it's good and sealed. Now of course this isn't something you're going to want to put against your bare skin, so we'll be fine bringing it into a bag with us. I've got jumpers on, t-shirts, thermals, long johns, everything. So it's just gonna give us that bit more warmth. Not sure that we'll necessarily need it, but it's there if we do. Plus, we have that water in the morning, make ourselves a nice coffee. So, until then, I will see you guys in the morning. It bothered me that I didn't bring that wood stove. Everything was just way too wet for a fire yesterday. And today, it seems. Even though we would have had a tin can, we could have improvised ourselves a little wood stove potentially, but this is how we learn. Definitely would have been nice to have ourselves a little fire this morning. There's a bit of a chill in the air. But we have our coffee. We have our coffee. So last night's fire wasn't a complete loss, because what we have here is firewood for the next time we come out. I'm going to go and stash it, hopefully somewhere dry, and the next time we're here we already have a bit of firewood that we can start off with. So not a complete loss. Never underestimate the importance of a good pillow. And this jacket is not a good pillow. So that's something I need to invest in. I've had the inflatable ones before. I'm not much of a fan of those, so I may just get the other ones. So, second coffee, waking up, finish this, and then we're out. The Arctic sleeping bag, or bouncing bomb, as outsider Lee Callaghan said. It's not wrong. This bag is hefty. If you guys like your outdoors channels, your fishing, go and check out outsider Lee Callaghan. He's a good man.
dirty